Good morning everyone. Today we are going to understand the concept of HCF. HCF is defined as highest common factor and its symbol is circular brackets, right? Now we will discuss and explain this concept with the help of an example. Let's take an example 12 and 18. First, how we will represent the HCF of 12 and 18. This is represented by HCF of 12 and 18 is equals to circular brackets 12 and 18 is equals to whatever the answer will come. So first, in order to explain this HCF or find out the HCF, as we know by name, we said highest common factor. So it means we first have to find the factors of 12 and 18. So let's start finding the factors of first 12. As you know, in order to find the factors of 12, we first have to check the divisibility of 12 by the smallest number, that is 2. How we can check the divisibility of any number on the table 2 without actual division? There is a shortcut method that if the unit digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If unit digit of any number is among from all these numbers, we can say that the original number is divisible by 2. Like you can say, see in this example that unit digit of 12 is 2. It means the whole number 12 is divisible by 2. So we will write here 2. 12 divisible by 2, we get the answer 6. Now again 6 divisible by 2, so here we will write 2 and here we get the answer 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, it means we will skip 2 and move to next table, that is 3. 3 divisible by 3, we get the answer 1. So we get the factors of 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. But we will represent these factors in the form of exponents, and that is 12 is equals to, here 2 comes 2 times, it means 2 raised to power 2. 3 comes 1 time, it means 3 raised to power 1. So we represented these in the form of exponents. Now we found the factors of 12. Now we will find the factors of 18. Let's start. Here again we can see that the unit digit of 18 is 8, which is one of these numbers. So we can say that 18 is divisible by 2, and answer we get the 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will move to next table, that is 3. 9 divisible by 3, we get the answer 3. 3 again divisible by 3, finally we get the answer 1. Now we will write the factors. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Again we will write these factors in the form of exponents. 18, 2 here comes 1 time, it means 2 raised to power 1. 3 comes how many times? 2 times, it means 3 raised to power 2. So here we find the factors of 12 and 18. Now we have to find the finally HCF of 12 and 18, or we represent 12 and 18 is equals to. See, as you can see, the name defines highest common factors. Factors we already found. Now the question is common. That means the factors which are common to both 12 and 18 will come in the answer. So let's see which are the common factors. 2 is the common factor of 12 and 18. 2 is also a factor of 12. 2 is also a factor of 18. So it means 2 is a common factor, so it will come in the answer, right? But as you can see here that here 2's power is 2 and here 2 power 1. There are different powers. So which power will come in the answer? There is the question. There is a little logic that as far as power is concerned, we have a little logic that is less than or equals to. What does that means? Less than means if par is different in both the factors, like here 2 par 2 and here 2 par 1. 12 and 18, 2 is both the factors of 12 and 18, but in 12 2 raised to power 2 and in 18 2 raised to power 1. So there are in both cases there are different powers. It means we will say here the concept will apply the less than, the smallest of the power, that is 1. 2 and 1, which is smallest 1, so we will write 1. Now again 3 is the common factor of 12 and 18, so it will come in the answer, and the power is different here 1 and here 2. It means it will which power concept will come, that is less than. It means the smallest of 1 and 2, and that is 1. So here 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 1 is equals to 6. Okay, so finally HCF for 12 and 18 is equals to 6. Let's discuss another example. Let's take an example 20 and 30. Let's find out the HCF of 20 and 30. First we will find the factors of 20. As you can see here, the unit digit of 20 is 0, which is one of these numbers, so we will directly say that 20 is the divisible by 2. So here we will put 2 and here we get the answer 10. Now again 10 unit digit is 0, again it is divisible by 2, we get the answer 5. Now 5 is directly divisible by 5. So here we get the factors. 20 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5. It means we will write in the exponent form 20 is equals to 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 1. Now we will find the factors of 30. 30 unit digit 0, so again we can say that 30 is directly divisible on the table 2. Here we will write 2 and here we get the answer 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, so we will move to next number, that is 3. How we can check the divisibility of any number on 3 without actual division? It's 3. In order to check any number on number 3, we also have the shortcut method, and that is add individual letters. Like here 15, add individual numbers. 1 plus 5, we get 6. If the resultant is divisible by 3, then we can say that the original number is also divisible by 3. Here we can see that 15, by adding individually numbers we get the resultant 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, so we can say that the original number 15 is also divisible by 3. So here we put 3 and here we get the answer 5. 5 is divisible by 5, we get the answer 1. Now we will write the factors of 30, and it is 2 into 3 into 5, and we will write these in the form of exponents. We get 2 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 1. Now we will find the HCF of 20 and 30, and it is, first we will find the common factors, and the common factors are 2 is a factor of 20 and 30 both, so here we will put the 2. Now 2 powers are different in both the cases, so for different powers we have less than concept. It means we will pick the smallest part, that is 1. Next 5 is the common factor, and here you can see that here the 5 power is same, here also 1 and here also 1, so same power. For same power we have the concept equals to, that means the whatever the power we have we put here, right? Now 3 is not common factor, so we will reject it. Now finally we get the answer 10. So that's all about HCF. I hope you understand the concept and will practice this concept. Have a nice day. Thank you.